Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include content theft alarm, dual stage front airbags, front side airbags, PASS key 3 theft deterrent system, side curtain airbags, universal home remote, 6-speaker audio system, 8-way power driver seat, auto-dimming rear-view mirror and auxiliary input jack. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.